I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over.
What's going on? Welcome back. Today we are going to be working on the Roadster again. Finally, we are back on this. We are going to be doing, sorry, there's sun glare. The Firewall. We're going to be cutting this out of sheet metal and doing some bead roll designs just like this. As you can see, we already have our template cut out of ram board. If you don't know what ram board is, I've explained it in other videos. This is the best stuff ever to make your templates out of. So let's get to cutting. We're going to cut this out of sheet metal, get it mocked up on here, make sure it all fits, and then we'll get to bead rolling on it. Alright, so we got it all cut out. We got it fitting on the Firewall like such. So now we are gonna make some designs on this to bead roll it, and then we're just gonna weld it into place. As you can see, it's pretty good fitment here, just enough to get a weld on there, grind it down so it's all flush. And you can see we got our clearance there, clearance around the bell housing. And the reason I'm going with straight lines instead of a rounded tunnel like I would normally do is because I started this tunnel here with angles instead of it being round, because I wanted it to go with the hexagons that I'm doing. So it's the little details, you know. So we'll get this all laid out with our designs, and then we'll go bead roll it. Another little tip of the trade, I make these little guides essentially. If I want a 1-inch border all the way around this, I just stick my pen in there, trace all the way around, keeps all the radiuses the same and everything, makes it very simple. Alright, as you can see, we got all our patterns laid out. So now it's time to go bead roll this thing. But first, let's just throw it in here. See what it's gonna look like. It's pretty tight. Alright guys, we made it back to the shop. We are going to spend the next, I don't know, hour, hopefully less, bead rolling all this out. And then we'll take it back home and throw it in the Roadster. So let's get after it. So, I don't know how many days it's been, but it's been a few. We're just going to be tacking this onto the car itself, and then we'll be cutting the hole for the steering column to come through here, meet up with our steering linkage, and that'll be that. Alright, so we got the firewall all tacked in. Got our steering column in with our knuckles. Steering column's mounted through the firewall. And then we got our super sweet pedal box right here. You got our gas, brake, and clutch. So next we'll probably have to get this all mounted in at some point. But that's gonna be all for today's video. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to feed. I work like got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns out with the